Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I've decided that 4 lessons about animals in a row must be too much, so let's have a couple of lessons on other topics and then we will return back to our lessons on the animals vocabulary. So today our topic is days of the week. Monday, понедельник, понедельник. Tuesday, вторник, вторник. Wednesday, среда, среда. Thursday, четверг, четверг. Friday, пятница, пятница. Saturday, суббота, суббота. Sunday, воскресенье, воскресенье. A week, неделя, неделя. Среда, Wednesday. Пятница, Friday, воскресенье, Sunday, понедельник, Monday, неделя, a week, вторник, Tuesday, суббота, Saturday, четверг, Thursday. Did you know? In many Slavic languages, the word неделя means Sunday, but in Russian it means a week, as you already know. Whereas the Russian word for Sunday, воскресенье, comes from the word воскресение, which means resurrection.